everybody, today we're in Grandma's kitchen and today we are going to be making cake pops. It's been a long time and thank you for joining us. Let's get to the ingredients. Starting off, you'll need 1 box of funfetti cake mix or 1 box of chocolate cake mix. Next, you'll need 3 eggs and 1 can of vanilla frosting. Also, you need 1 bag of chocolate flavored wafers. Final ingredient, you need vegetable oil. Let me show you the tools you'll need to make your delicious cake pops. First, you'll need a measuring cup, some skewers, a 1/2 cup measuring spoon, and a tablespoon, a big mixing bowl, a glass bowl to melt your chocolate in, and a spatula. Finally, you'll need a cake pan to cook your cake in. And I almost forgot the best tool of all, the KitchenAid blender. Your first step to making these delicious cake pops is adding your cake mix to the KitchenAid blender. Add 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of water, finally 3 eggs. I already dropped 1 in there. Let's get mixing. Keep it on low, and then once it gets to a batter, put it on 2. Now put it to 2. Mix for about 1 to 2 minutes until your batter looks like this. Now get a napkin and put some oil on it, like this, and spread it on your pan. Now preheat your oven to 350. No. While we're waiting for the oven to preheat, we put the cake mix in the cake pan. The oven is preheated at 350. Now let's put it in the oven for 34 to 38 minutes. So the cake mix has just got done, and now we're gonna pull it out and let it cool for about 5 minutes. Be careful and make sure to double up your towel because it is very hot. Now we take the cake in the pan and put it in this bowl. And then we crumple it. You might have to get a little messy. I added 6 tablespoons of vanilla frosting into the cake mix and it formed out just like this. After you combine the cake mix and the frosting, you should make them into little balls like this. I already did a few, but I had a few problems, but I figured out the trick how to do it. And then what you want to do is you want to put some chocolate on here. And gently pick it up. Make sure that they're not connected to any of the chocolate because as you can see, the chocolate hardens really quickly. As they're hardening, we can see how delicious they look. And this is our final result, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and let's test it out. It's really good, but my stomach hurts from eating it so much.
You know what time it is, it's blooper time.
Next, you'll need 3... I almost dropped it. Finally, 3 eggs. No!
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed making cake pops with me. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to Cowabunga Cooking. See you later guys!